Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the keyboard language on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then go to general. From here, just tap on keyboard, then tap on keyboards. Now to change the keyboard language, just select add new keyboard. And from here, just select any language which you like. Now you can add multiple languages to your keyboard. Just tap on add a new keyboard and select another language. Just like that. Now, once you have done that, just go to your home screen and open the keyboard on your iPhone. Now, at the bottom of your keyboard, you will find the globe icon. Now, if you tap and hold on this globe icon, you will find all the languages which you have installed on your keyboard. Now you can change the language from here. Just like that. And this is how you can change the keyboard language on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.